Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the first ever video of my channel, and this video is also going to be an introductory video of my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video directly. So hey, my name is Shafari and I have recently started posting on YouTube. So coming to my qualification, I have completed my graduation in 2022 and did BTech in computer science, also worked in Flipkart. Coming back to the channel's introduction, this channel is going to be related to skincare, hair care, makeup, all my favorite recipes, dressing style, what I ordered versus what I got, makeup tips, hacks and cares related to skin, related to hair care, and all I know. So basically this channel is going to be something that a teenager needs. This channel is not only going to be related to entertainment only, but it's also going to be related to some useful stuff. I'm also open to all your suggestions. So if you like something about this video, then do let me know in the comment section. If you want me to improve something, then definitely let me know. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. See you soon.